Guys, welcome to As Seen in the South. Today we're visiting another waterfall and it's named Laurel Falls. Laurel Falls is perhaps the most popular waterfall in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. It's an easy hike. Last time we were here we encountered a bear, so we're kind of excited to see what we might find today. Well, let's get up, get moving. Let's do it. You ready?
Ready.
Let's go. As you leave the parking lot, the trail is paved. It's a simple walk so far. There are some curves and some elevation gains and descents, but it's not too bad right now. One thing we can say about walking this trail or walking to the falls, the best time of day to come is early in the morning, less people. We were here the first time, and we did about midday, and it was so crowded you couldn't really enjoy it. But today we're early, and we are, I think, the fourth car in the parking lot. So hopefully we'll be able to get some good shots today. As you can see, there's a little bit of an elevation gain. So just take your time and you can make the hike. Unfortunately, people do not stay on the trail like they are supposed to, and when you don't, it causes erosion. That's why it's important to follow the trail. You can look and see more of the elevation gain we have. The views are well worth the effort. The views and the easy access of the trail make this one of the most popular waterfalls in the park, if not the most popular. Through here. You really want to pay attention when you're up to here, because there are numerous bear sightings daily. So All right, folks, we made it to the waterfall. Nah, just kidding. So it was along in here about 7 years ago, first time Vicky and I came to this waterfall, that we encountered a bear on the trail. He definitely let us know he was here, and we gave him his space, and then he left and he went down the valley, and that was the last time we saw him. Beautiful February morning. So when you are on your journey, you look up, you look around, because there's wonderful things to see all around you. So there are a few places along the trail where the pavement is broken and it's kind of muddy, but it's not impassable. It's not a bad trail at all. I'm not sure what the name of that mountain is off in the distance, but it is absolutely beautiful up here. So if you're watching the video and you know the name of that mountain, let me know in the comments, would you? I think I know, but I'm not sure, and I don't want to misstate the name. Absolutely gorgeous. What a beautiful day we have. Folks, that is a long ways down. There's a warning sign that we passed just a moment ago telling people to watch their children carefully and closely, because there have been some deaths. You fall here and you probably won't recover. Well, guys, we made it up here. There's noticeably a drop in the temperature as well, which is not a bad thing if you're hiking this in August, but you know, in February you really don't want the temperature to drop anymore. So it's not so bad today, but the last 2 weeks, Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge received a lot of rainfall, a lot of flooding. I saw some pictures and videos of the water coming off of this fall, and it was almost covering the rails. It was up, I know, at least to the first cross beam. There it is, folks, Laurel Falls. The water comes down, flows under our bridge, and back over on this side. Some people are foolish enough to get out on these rocks. You got to be very careful doing stuff like that, folks. Well, guys, Laurel Falls is definitely worth the trip. If you look closely, you can see the buds on the bush, on the tree. It's hard to beat nature. Nature finds a way to survive. Now in the summertime, your view is obscured because of vegetation, but it's pretty awesome up here. It really is. So guys, the trail does go on past the waterfall if you're curious, and it goes on up the mountain. You see people over there walking. It goes all the way up the mountain. But we're not going that way. We're headed back to the parking lot. Well guys, that wraps it up for our trip up to Laurel Falls. It was a good experience, something I enjoyed, something I would definitely do again. I want to come back in the fall and get some photos. What'd you think about it, babe?
It's very beautiful. It's a lot more full than it was when we came here 7 years ago. Met a really nice lady, was talking to her for a while. It's a slightly moderate hike, and for all of you that don't know, I have asthma, so if if I can do it, anyone can do it.
Yeah. I mean, the hike, the trail is paved, but there are some inclines, and I'm not sure the elevation gain. It's about a mile long, but it's not impossible. Stop, go a few yards, stop again if you need to. There's places where you can rest along the trail, but it's definitely worth your effort to come. Well, we hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do so now. Tell your friends and your family about us as well. And remember, as we always say, life is a journey.
Choose it well.
And enjoy the ride. See you next time.
Thanks for watching.